Hello guys, please welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday guys. For today's video guys, I'm here outside our house just roaming around and take a look of all the wildflowers here outside guys. Look at that white flower. It's beautiful. I love it. And there's dry flowers here. Love them so much. Every day I have to go down and look at these beautiful wildflowers here. I'm gonna show you some more. So many beautiful flowers. Look at that. See, it's so pretty. Look at these white flowers here. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. So pretty, right? It's yellow. Yellow flowers. I love it. There's purple there. I'm gonna look for another one. Look at this small guy. I don't know what's this one here, but looks pretty. Oh. And there's more there. Oh, so pretty, guys. White. Oh, I just love this white over here. Potatoes there. Diba guys? Ang gandang tingnan. Tingnan nyo to guys, oh. Yan. Mga hearts. Tingnan nyo yan. Says, I love you. I'm gonna show you guys here. Last year I planted some flowers here and I put fake butterflies. I have to clean her guys. Oh, there's one more here. Diba? Oh, gandang tingnan. Yan. So pretty. Look at this dried flowers. Yellow. There's more here. It's beautiful, guys. It's amazing. Fresh air. Birds singing. Like every day, guys. This is my view here outside. And I just remembered my place. I'm in my country, which is the Philippines. It's amazing. It's quiet. There's one more here, guys. Oh, I heard plane. Come on, airplane. Take me back home. No, not right now. We have to work. It's beautiful, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.